Hello, my friends. All right, let's continue. We're supposed to talk about phasing in Lumion, which has been from Lumion 11. All right, let me add some camera keyframes here. That's it. Another one. Very good. Just like that. Another one. That's enough. All right, now if I go to here, we have animated phasing. Click on it. Well, by this option, you can show the construction process. And you are able to use even a scale, for example, from the ground to the sky, or in reverse, from the environment. You can make these animations. All right, let me go to the build mode to be sure our model is not locked. Yes, it is not. My friends, please pay attention to this point that I'm gonna tell you. Never forget to make layers in your modeling. All right, for example, I'm gonna select this tree and click on this option, select all, and put all of these trees in layer 2. Hence, if I hide this layer 2, yes, all of the trees are gone. All right, so I have only 2 layers. Let me go to movie, edit. We have start and end and object. We have timeline down here and add phasing animation. You're able to make a new phase. You can delete the phase that you did added here by mistake, for example, or even switch them. Let me add some phase here. Yes, like that. Move it down or up and move them in a timeline, or even delete them as I told you before. And by clicking on each phase, you can hide them and unhide them. All right, so I don't need these 2 phases here. Let me delete them all. Okay, now in this phase, if I click on object, I'm supposed to select all the objects that I imported before. Okay, let me click on it. As you can see, we have 7 imported objects. Okay, let me hide these trees here by hiding layer 2. Okay, and now you can adjust the duration. As you can see, for a start, we have a bold line, as you can see, for duration, and for end we have no effect yet. All right, if I play it, as you can see, it would be like that. Pop in, and you can change it into whatever you like. For example, sky drop. It's like it is falling from the sky. When you turn on the order, let me pause it here and go to edit here. As I told you before, if you turn order on, then you can let me put it here at the start, zoom out, and turn this off. Let me play it. No, turn it on. All right, if I increase the stagger here, it starts setting for me in the order that it is selected, as you can see. All right, as you can see, it is so cool. It is setting the selected objects by order, one by one. Let me go to edit and turn off the order here. Yes, okay. And let me put it at the start, play it. No, let me turn this off now. Now if I play it, it is setting the objects in opposite of the previous situation, as you can see. Well, we have many different situations, and if I increase the duration, it sets the objects slower. Let me show it to you here. Put it at the start and play it. See, just like that. Okay, and if I click on ground rise, yes, it is being set from the ground to the sky, as you can see, just like that. So cool. You can change the duration, it's up to you. Even we have implode. And you know, in this situation, in this status, it's being set in many different directions, as you can see. We are able to change its direction, is in, is out, or the distance between the objects. All right, so you can change each slider that you like according to your need, according to your project. You can make some distances between them and turn the toggles on or off. We have end here, and as I told you before, you're able to add some phases here. Let me move this phase here, and for example, for this part, that's it. Very good. Increase duration, go to edit. After that, go to nature. You can choose the trees randomly, just like that. Well, that's enough, I think. Okay, here. And we have start. Duration, you can increase it or decrease it. As I play it now, as our model is being completed, let me play it. All right, and as you can see here, the trees are being grown one by one. You know, by adding phases, you can give variety to your animation. Okay, now for phase 2, I'm gonna select all the trees here, hold Control, click drag, select one of them, that's it. Okay, and then let me change duration, stagger first, yes, and duration. Very good, play it. Well, as I don't want all the trees to be grown at the same time, I increase this stagger slider so that, as you can see, these trees are being grown one by one. Let me increase duration to the max, and now trees grow slowly. It is so cool, and you can turn this toggle on to invert it. All right, hence by this phasing effect, you have a lot of works to do. All right, so we have many different situations here, and for end, for example, I'm gonna select explode for it. Yes, and we have an explosion like that. But let me pause it here. Okay, for phase 2, we don't want any effect for end, and for phase 1, for end, we want this explode. All right, let me put this line here. Until this part, they are being set, and after that, they want to separate. So let me increase duration and decrease it here. Very good. End time, duration again. Stagger to the max. Okay, so let me play it. Now they should be separated. Okay, let me check What is happening here exactly? All right, duration. Very good. Start here. Now, as you can see, it's like it is exploding. The parts are separating from each other. Well, you're able to remove for the end part, no effect. This is so cool about phasing. You can use it for your animation. Okay, here. Let me play the ultimate version of our video. Okay, first let me zoom out. That's it. It's good. And then play it again. All right. As you can see, they are being set. So nice. And as you can see, the trees are being grown according to the popping effect. Okay, that's it for this part, and I will see you next time.